Tim here with TLC Pressure Washing, and you can't beat it when you're going to do gravestone cleanings and you're driving down in your truck playing the 80s, and what do you hear? The theme, or not the theme, but one of the songs to the movie Ghostbusters 2. So Bobby Brown and Ghostbusters 2, it's like, yeah, that's pretty apropos. Don't have my skeleton on today, but we're working on this one good. And, oops, it's on the other side. And this one, which is Hall, H-A-L-L. So we did our normal spray on it, scrub it really good, rinse it, and then post-treat. Doing that tonight, I like to do it when it gets dark because that means the post-treat's going to stay on it longer. It's not going to flash dry. It's going to stay wet. It's going to keep working. And, you know, when we get a rain, we got a rain coming in 2 days, or tomorrow and the next day, late tomorrow and next day. So good rain, rinse. It's going to rinse some of the ones I did earlier this week and then got busy, like little small ones. This Finch one I'm waiting on because it looks kind of goofy because that is the chemical still on it working. I could actually lightly mist it with water and reactivate it tonight. And I might just do that. Might just reactivate it so that way if we get a hard rain and it rinses it really quick, it'll have some reactivation time. And then the rain will rinse it really good. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.